So while the United Kingdom's government says that the lockdown will stay as the country hasn't hit its peak yet, concerns remain that the United Kingdom might have dragged its feet on social distancing for several weeks and is now taking some stringent measures to enforce the lockdown, even breaching what many are describing as human laws. So let's take a look at this report from our London Bureau Chief, Mandy Clark.
A scientific advisor to the government spoke about when the measures are finally lifted. He thinks it should be certain ages and geographic areas. This is after a Warwick University study suggested that 20 to 30-year-olds should be the first group of people that should see their restrictions lifted. It's clear that the government doesn't want the measures in place longer than absolutely necessary because it's doing untold damage to the economy, and the social and personal costs of the nation are huge. This is all about the exit strategy. The worry at the moment is the government doesn't seem to have one. But while the lockdown remains in place, the police will certainly be out this long weekend, ensuring that people are adhering to the measures, though some human rights lawyers are worried about the new sweeping powers that they now have and a very proactive approach to ensuring that people adhere to them might not actually be lawful. But a police spokesman made it clear that they're definitely not at the point yet of ensuring that people's shopping trolleys are all essential items. There was hope in the UK that there would be an easing of restrictions after the government reviewed the data to see if the measures were working. But it doesn't appear that Britain is past the peak, so the measures will remain in place for a few weeks more. So it means that everybody is ordered to stay at home this long Easter weekend, even though temperatures are due to soar to 25 degrees. It's the first bit of sun after a long, wet winter, but the government has made it clear that in order to defeat the coronavirus, everyone has to stay indoors despite the sunshine. Mandy Clark, World is One, WION, London.